Hello, this is Dr. Hui Liu from San Jose, California, United States. My email is ibridgepy@gmail.com. ibridgepy is an easy-to-use Python platform to help traders to build algorithm trading robots. It can backtest and live trade with interactive brokers, Robinhood, and TD Ameritrade. You can download ibridgepy from www.ibridgepy.com. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because more tutorials are coming. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to get market open and close time. Actually, it's a pretty important thing when you are working on your trading strategy because determining when the market open and when market close and will affect how you wrote your code. So I'm going to talk about a premium feature to get contract details from IB contract database, which is this link. So in this, especially I want to provide one example in this tutorial is to use this premium feature, get contract details, to get market open time and close time. So let's click this link together to check out some what's the open time and close time. Let's just click search. And go, I just, as a demo, I put SPY, which is the ETF to track SP 500 index. And this is the contract I'm talking about. I'm talking about stock. SPY can be traded at different trading centers. I'm going to talk about this one. The primary exchange is ARCA and traded the base currency as USD dollars. So when you check out the more details about this contract, you will see the base information and trading hours here. So regular trading hours is from 9:30 to 4 p.m. from Monday to Friday. This is the ARCA, that's something I'm talking about. Regular trading hours. Yeah, that's something I'm trying to use ibridgepy to obtain these trading hours. So let's switch to the demo. So I have an example is get trading hours. The goal of this demo code is to get the liquid hours of SPY. So I expected to get 9:30 to 4 p.m. in the afternoon for SPY traded at ARCA. This is the goal. So the function you need to use is to get contract details. This is the function you need to use. So in this function, you need to specify a few parameters. The first thing you need to specify is security type, which is stock. The symbol is SPY. And the primary exchange is ARCA. And in this demo, I want to get liquid hours. So I put field equals to liquid hours. To know how this function should be used, let's go to ibridgepy.com and go to API documentation here. Then let's look for this function, which is get contract details. Here's the function. So you need to specify security type, symbol, field, and others. So you can go through the list of strings you can obtain from the IB contract database. Let's come back to this one. So I just want to know the liquid hours. So I put liquid hours there. The expected result is a dictionary, and the liquid hours is a key in dictionary. And the return result will be a long string, tells you the liquid hours in the future month. So you can see it's July 24th, and then go to the future when I prepare this demo. I know it's not easy to use. When we print this result, you will see it is a long string and it's hard to use. And to solve this problem, iBridgePy provides a convenient tool to transfer this long string into a data frame. So I use this method to convert market hours to a data frame. Then I save it as a pandas data frame. The return type is pandas data frame with index of date. For example, it will show looks like this. Also, it has two columns. One is called open, the other one is called close. The open and close will be an integer calculated by the hour times 60 plus minute, so that when you see 5:30 means 9:30 a.m. and if you see 9:60 then which means 4 p.m. If I print dataframe.tail, which means I just want to print the last 5 rows of this data frame, you will see it looks like this with date, open, close. When it said close, which means you cannot trade it on that day. Very likely it's a holiday or weekend. So as a demo to how to use this obtained data frame, what you can do is print market open time. This is a data frame. .loc is to show the data given by the given index. The index here is a date. I'm using date time package to define a date. So I want to know, for example, I just want to show what is the market open time on August 24th, 2020. So I put August 21st, 2020, and I put the column which is the open column, and then I print the close time, use the close. So when I run this code, you will see how it works. Let's switch to runme.py and run this file. Okay, it's done. Oh, I forgot mention one thing. I put n at the end so that the handle data function just run once and it stopped. We can see the first part is print out the account information, and then when we print answers, it print out looks like this. As I mentioned, this is a dictionary. The key is liquid hours because we requested liquid hour, and the value is a long string, which is the open and close time in the future month for this SPY. I know it's hard to use, so that we use a function called convert market hours to data frame to convert this long string to an easy use pandas data frame with date and open close time. You can see September 5th and 6th are weekend. Other than that, the open time, close time. And market open time is 5:70, which means is 9:30 in the morning, and the close time is 9:60, which is 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Thank you very much. For any questions, please send an email to ibridgepy@gmail.com. If you need any help on coding, please check out our well-known Run a Coder service. More tutorials are coming. Please don't forget to subscribe. iBridgePy is an easy-to-use Python platform to backtest and live trading. Thank you very much.